Bonjour tout le monde. Comment ça va? On listening and reading many of your last week French tasks, I was so impressed. Très bien et félicitations à tous. Very good and congratulations to all. Aujourd'hui, on va faire une nouvelle leçon. Today, we will be doing a new lesson. On va lire et écouter une nouvelle histoire. We will be reading and listening to a new story. And it is called La Petite Poule Rouge. La Petite Poule Rouge, which means the little red hen. The little red hen. Before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you all to use headphones for best experience. Our today's learning objective is, can I retell the little red hen story in French? And our success criteria, we have 3: grow, flourish, and succeed. Grow. I can recognize and memorize the French vocabulary. Flourish. I can illustrate the story. Succeed. I can adapt the story and narrate it on my own. I will be narrating the story in French and explaining it to you in English. And at the bottom, in a yellow box, there are words in French and its translation in English. Let's start the story. Il était une fois 4 amis. Il était une fois 4 amis, which means there was once 4 friends. Une vache, un canard, un chat et une petite poule rouge. Une vache, un canard, un chat et une petite poule rouge, which means a cow, a duck, a cat, and a little red hen. La petite poule rouge avait 3 petits poussins. La petite poule rouge avait 3 petits poussins. The little red hen had 3 little chicks. Over here, if you see, la petite. Petite means little. Poule is hen. Rouge is red. Literally, if I translate this, it means the little hen red. In French, you always write the color adjective after the noun poule. In French, you will always write the color adjective rouge, which is red, always after the noun. Over here, the noun is poule. Okay, but we do not literally translate usually. Instead of saying la petite poule rouge as the little hen red, we will translate it as the little red hen. Hope you understood. Qui va planter ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Qui va planter ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Which means, who's going to plant this wheat? Says the red hen. Pas moi, dit la vache. The cow says, not me. Pas moi, dit le canard. Not me, says the duck. Pas moi, dit le chat. Not me, says the cat. All of them are so busy, or maybe so lazy, to help the little red hen. Let's see what the little red hen tells them. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. The little red hen says, I will do all alone. The little red hen decided to plant all the seeds all by herself. Qui va faucher ce blé dit la poule rouge? Qui va faucher ce blé dit la poule rouge? Over here, the little red hen says, who's going to cut this wheat? But the cow, the duck, and the cat, all three of them reply to her, pas moi, which means, not me. So, even for this work, all three friends wouldn't help her. Let's see what she says. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Once again, the little red hen says, I will do all alone. Qui va battre ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Qui va battre ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Which means, who is going to beat this wheat? Says the red hen. Once again, the cow, the dog, and the cat, all three of them say, not me, pas moi. Now the little red hen is feeling sad that none of her friends would like to help her. Let's see what she says. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Again, the red hen says, I will do all alone. Qui va moudre ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Qui va moudre ce blé? Dit la poule rouge. Now, the red hen asks, who's going to grind this wheat? Again, la vache, le canard et le chat. All the three friends tell her, pas moi, not me. So again, all of them did not help her, even to grind the wheat. Let's see what the little red hen tells them. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Again, the little red hen decided to do it all by herself. Qui va faire du pain? Dit la poule rouge. Qui va faire du pain? Dit la poule rouge. Now, the red hen says, who's going to do some bread? Again, la vache, le canard et le chat. All her three friends tell her, pas moi, not me. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Je ferai toute seule, dit la poule rouge. Once again, the red hen decided to do it all by herself. Qui va manger ce pain? Dit la poule rouge. Qui va manger ce pain? Dit la poule rouge, which means, who's going to eat this bread? Says the red hen. Now, all her three friends, la vache, le canard, et le chat, all three of them say moi for a change. Instead of pas moi, they say moi. All this while they were saying not me, pas moi. But now, when the little hen asked them who's going to eat, all three of them together say moi, me. How sad this is, and how greedy they are. They never helped her in any of this work, but at the end, all of them want to eat the bread. Now let's see what the little red hen says. Now, a question to all of you. What do you think and what do you feel? Should the little red hen share her bread with all her friends? La vache, le canard, et le chat. Should she share it with them or no? Now let's see what she says. Now the little red hen tells them, Je ferai toute seule. Je ferai toute seule. Which means she again tells them, I will do all alone. Which means she is going to eat her bread all by herself, along with her three little chicks. Here ends the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let's do task 1. Let me explain the task to you. If you have not taken your whiteboard or your marker, right now, pause the video, go quickly, pick your whiteboard and marker, and get ready for the task. Now, for the task. While you are doing this task, you need to remember that you will write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your whiteboard and get ready. On your left side, you will see a grid with pictures. And on your right side, you have a blue box in which there are 6 sentences. Your task is to match the picture with the sentence. Alright? Your task is to match the picture with the correct sentence. You will write number 1 on your whiteboard and you will write the sentence which is related to the picture in number 1 box. And you will work the same way for number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After you complete your task, now is the time for you to self-assess. You have 6 different sentences for 6 different pictures. You will correct your sentence looking into the correct answers over here, and you will mark yourself out of 6. Take a picture of this whiteboard with your task and upload it on Seesaw. Task 2. On plain A4 paper, illustrate the story that you just read and then narrate the story. While you narrate, audio or video record your story and upload on Seesaw. Remember to practice saying the story several times and then record it. If you are unable to send it through Seesaw, please send it through wetransfer.com to one of the email IDs given here. If I teach you, you will send it to j.rubin. If Miss Margot teaches you, you will send it to m.garcia_gfs@gemsedu.com. The expectation of today's task are: listen to the story several times. Pause it in between to repeat the sentences after me. Pronounce the words loudly and clearly. Pause at least for a second at the end of each sentence. Audio or video record your story and upload it on Seesaw, as I told you earlier. Over here, you can also assess what you have spoken or narrated. You will give a thumbs up for yourself if you can do this and you're ready to help your friend or explain it to your friend. You can give thumbs on your side if you're almost able to do it, or you may need little more practice or help. Thumbs down, you'll give it yourself if you did not understand and you need more work and help on this. If you need more work and help, you will go back to the beginning of the video and try to listen to it once again and try to pause it in between to repeat the sentences after me. Here ends the lesson for today. Au revoir.